Our Hiligaynon or Ilonggo word for the day is LIWA-LIWA. 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 When we say LIWA-LIWA, that means recreation, walk, stroll, trip, holiday, go for a walk or take a stroll, or go out for recreation. LIWA-LIWA. LIWA-LIWA. Let us have the following sample sentences. Kinahanglan man naton magpaliwaliwa. Kinahanglan man naton magpaliwaliwa. When we say kinahanglan, that's like a need. And then naton is we or us. Magpaliwaliwa is to like enjoy life a bit, to chill. Kinahanglan man naton magpaliwaliwa. That means in English, we really need to go out for recreation. We really need to go out to enjoy life, to have a walk. Kinahanglan man naton magpaliwaliwa. Next sentence is, nagpaliwaliwa Sanday Maria sa Iloilo. Nagpaliwaliwa Sanday Maria sa Iloilo. That means Maria went to Iloilo to enjoy a bit, to take a stroll, to take a walk, to have a trip. Nagpaliwaliwa Sanday Maria sa Iloilo. Kinahanglan man naton magpaliwaliwa. Nagpaliwaliwa Sanday Maria sa Iloilo. Kinahanglan man naton magpaliwaliwa. Nagpaliwaliwa Sanday Maria sa Iloilo, which would either mean recreation, walk, stroll, trip, holiday, go for a walk, take a stroll, or go out for recreation. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.